In this video, we're going to be changing and replacing the cabin air filter on our 5th gen Ram HD series. So this is on our Ram 3500, but it could be a 2500 for you. So let's jump straight into it. This truck is new to me. If you guys are into 5th gen Rams, definitely check out the other videos on the channel. Subscribe because we have all sorts of mods. This is originally a tradesman. We've got limited door panels, limited seats, limited steering wheel, limited cluster, limited center console, and we're also putting the 12-inch screen in there. We've got the limited headliner or premium one with the additional speakers in the headliner. And since these trucks are so expensive to buy new, we took a tradesman and we have put a bunch of parts in this to make it nice inside. So I haven't checked the cabin air filter. I'm getting a little bit of a musty smell in there. We're down here in Florida, so let's go ahead, get to it. These trucks were equipped with factory cabin filters. Let's see how dirty it is and let's change it. First thing, we're gonna pop the glove box open, and then you're gonna see these squeeze tab here. So you're gonna grab this and you're gonna move these over. So you're gonna squeeze these out of the way on both sides so that the glove box can fully drop down. So if you gotta kind of work it like this, there we go. And then if you got anything in here, you might as well take it out now because it's gonna end up emptying it all out. So there's the glove box off. More than likely, you're gonna have a little cable that goes here that retracts it nicely. I don't know if it's just because this is originally a tradesman truck or if somebody broke it, but it would normally hook onto there and it would allow for like a soft open type situation, but you'd unhook it and then let it retract in there. But I don't know where mine is, or it never came with one. Either way, that's what you'd do. Okay, next up, you're gonna see, once you get the glove box out of there, it is gonna reveal this. Oh, I think I actually found it. So mine does have it. I don't know if somebody snapped it. I think somebody snapped it because the part for it is here, but it is no longer there. Okay, so there's squeeze tabs on both sides. You can see there's one, there is two, and then here is our filter, cabin filter. So let's get this thing out of here. Really not terribly dirty. You will notice though that this is a Bosch filter. I've seen somebody else comment on this and I would probably agree. Don't put a really expensive filter in this because it's going to make it feel like your fan doesn't even barely blow. So the thicker, more expensive filter you put in this, the less it's going to feel like something is blowing out of your vents. So just a word of caution. I saw it on another video and I would have to agree with that person also. So anyways, let's go ahead, grab one of these from Walmart, and then let's put the new one in. All right, if you go to Walmart, it's gonna be the cheapest place to get it, and again, you're gonna want the cheaper one. And Walmart, if you scan it, will not show for your 5th gen. So I had to bring my old one in here to size it up. So you can see this, if I butt these up, this is the exact size. This is the part number here, 5035 cabin air filter for a Dodge truck. So that's the correct one. Let's get out of here, get it installed. If you're wondering the price, it is $10 right there, $10.97. Okay, so we got our Super Tech air filter. You're gonna see the airflow right there. Make sure it's pointing down. Kind of a weird Jenga deal to get in here to the slot. Kind of have to put it a little sideways, get it in here. So they definitely don't give you a ton of room to get this thing in here. That's for dang sure. Okay, so it actually goes sideways, believe it or not. So that's how that goes. And then you got your thing. Airflow also shows down on the cover. And then this just goes over top and snaps into place. So make sure your two latches on the side are fully engaged. Airflow down. Now you can go ahead and hook your glove box in and rotate it up. All right, so there you have it. Lid's back in, make sure it snaps in place. You're gonna take your glove box, you're gonna take the ribbon cable that somebody broke off of mine, and you're going to hook it into right there. Mine does not have one, so that's all we're gonna do there. And then it actually has guides to allow it to step over top, which is kind of nice. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it'll actually help itself over. So if we just press it up, it'll actually slide in. I think I want to say the previous one's 4th gens, you have to squeeze it in to get it back up and over, but this one actually has little ramps to guide it in. So anyways, that's it, you guys. If you guys are into 4th gen stuff, definitely subscribe to the channel, check out the other videos I already have. Lots of stuff, like I said, center console upgrade. This was a 3rd jump seat. There's actually tradesman. Now we've got limited seats in here. Some people might call them Longhorn, but they're actually a special order limited seat. And then right now, actually upgrading the module underneath the driver's seat so that we can have the newer 2024-ish power retracting mirrors. So lots of stuff. Make sure you give it a thumbs up before you take off. We'll see you guys on the next video.